Okay, YouTube, is an update on my Coachman 1981 with the Ford F-250 underneath it. And I've had a series of changes I made to it. I took the air conditioner off the roof because I found out I couldn't use the solar power to power it. Anyway, I had a lot of leaks inside the camper and decided I was going to cut some aluminum. I ordered 4 sheets of aluminum and I've been cutting and measuring, and I'm going to show you what's on the roof here in a second here. Okay, so here's the roof, and this is what I've done so far with a new sheet there and this new one I'm just laying down now. I don't know if you can see that or not. I got sun and glare in my face here, but it's getting to be pretty good here. This is what I got going, and I'm going to use some seam sealer in the cracks between the two pieces. There's actually going to be 4 sheets. One more sheet will cover most of the rest of it, and a small sheet at the end. And then the roof will be leak-proof, hopefully. And we'll move on from there and fix everything else that's got to be fixed. Now we're on the side here. This is my new, brand new water heater. I got a new cover and frame for it coming.